Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're embarking on a thrilling adventure over here in Poland. I'm going to be visiting my friends over at Panzer Farm. Panzer Farm is a remarkable place where tanks become the center of attention. It's actually located in the heart of Poland and is a haven for tank enthusiasts and history buffs alike. It's a place where you could step back in time and witness the power and beauty of these massive machines. I'm not only going to be visiting, but I'm also going to be rolling up my sleeves and getting a hands-on experience. I'm going to be lending a hand and getting involved in the day-to-day operations over here at Panzer Farm. This includes some serious tank maneuvering, and it's not every day you get to witness the thrilling sight of tanks in action. But that's not all. Today marks a significant milestone for myself. I'm going to be taking the driver's seat and commandeering my very first tank and tracked vehicle. It's like a dream come true, and you guys are going to be there for every moment of this experience. Starting the journey, we were in the city of Łódź, which is southwest Poland, and we had to get just northwest of Warsaw. That's where Panzer Farm is located. The physical location of Panzer Farm is pretty cool, actually. It's on a decommissioned military base, so there's a lot of history there. When we first arrived, there was a group of people going on a tank driving lesson. If you're interested in going on a tank driving lesson, you could book one of those through their website. I will link their website in the description of this video, so you can check that out if you're interested. It's also a good idea for a bachelor party, so go ahead and check them out. And if you're getting married soon, might be a fun trip. This tank right here is the East German T-55. This is actually one of the two tanks that I got to drive while I was here. All the footage from driving this tank will be in the next video. I wanted to have its own separate video for that experience. Since we had some time before their tank driving lesson was over, my buddy Dominic and I thought it would be a good idea to go check out some of the other stuff that they had here.
Small motor.
Do you need help backing out, or the mirrors are okay?
Mirrors are not okay, but I am quite high.
Okay.
So, but I will need a little help.
Okay.
You need some space? You make some space.
This tank right here is what we'll be doing most of the work with today. It's a Swiss armored recovery vehicle. It's pretty much a tank hull with a bulldozer blade up front, multiple winches to assist in heavy vehicle recovery, and it's covered in toolboxes to carry all the tools necessary to complete big jobs out in the field. What you're hearing right now is a small Mercedes OM636 engine. It's used to assist the startup of the main V8 MB837 engine. Now I was given the opportunity to drive this beast.
So you have pedals like in the car.
Yep.
Left side clutch, in the middle brake, in the right side gas pedal. And that's the semi-automatic gearbox. So you have to start with the clutch pedal, but the next gears you just release the gas a little bit and you put the next gear, okay?
This tiny little steering wheel felt like something from a toy car in your hands, but it felt just right at the same time. Since the gearbox is semi-automatic, you only have to use the clutch to start moving from a dead stop, as well as when you're coming to a stop. On the left of the steering wheel, you'll have the gear selector lever. When you want to change to the next higher gear, you simply press up. When you want to drop a gear, you press down. And on the right of the steering wheel, you'll have the forward, neutral, and reverse selector. As you'll see in the next video, this is way different than the primitive controls on the T55.
Are these brakes for each? Oh,
It's the clutch on the left and brake in the middle.
Gotcha.
You brake with the clutch, however it sounds, but it's the way it's designed. If you brake with the brake, then the engine will shut off.
oh.
You can choose the choose the second gear if you want. Just push up. Just push up. Okay. It's driving. It's driving like a car. Eh?
Yeah.
You will see later the T55 it's a little bit different.
The steering wheel is so small it feels funny. It feels like a toy car.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Good, good. I'm not sure if maybe we will see it later. That's the Maybach engine.
It felt really interesting to be in control of such a dimensionally large vehicle, trying to navigate it through such tight spaces. You really need a few other people to help guide you through areas like this.
Start turning right. We prefer to some days to put the gear down. Right. Wait a second. Stop.
Okej, przejdzie.
Przejdzie?
Przejdzie.
Okay, it will fit. We go. Go straight.
40 cm.
Go straight. Okay. Now we can turn a little bit right. Perfect.
Okej.
Second gear. Come on, we have to clean a little bit the road first.
How is your first ride?
Oh, it's so cool.
It's your first time on track vehicle
Yeah.
ever?
Yeah.
Perfect. It seems that you have the skill to feel the how it's.
Well, I mean, I drive big
Yeah,
vehicles all
yeah,
the time,
yeah.
so.
So you feel the how to tell this?
Yeah, yeah.
The capacity of the
How wide it is.
how wide it is very important, my son.
That's so cool.
They are preparing T55 for painting, but it's fully restored inside. If you want to see, it was completely empty inside from the training area, and they fully restored it. And this is the BMP. This is early version. You can see. So if you don't know BMP very well, it's shorter, about 10 centimeters. Shorter and lower about 10 centimeters than normal BMP. And this one was also training vehicle. So here you can see we welded back the plates. It was
open like a school?
For the school, yeah.
That's cool.
I will go for the forklift, so you can take a look inside. It's fully restored.
Okay. Here, will you hold this while I go up there?
Yeah.
Did you breathe in some
Yeah.
dust?
Some dust. They are wondering if they should take off all the names.
Gotowe są te mapy, które nie będą później puknąć.
One of the tasks we had to complete today was move this VT-55 recovery tank. This tank has no main gun, but was used for similar duties as this Swiss armored recovery vehicle we were just driving. Before we were able to move this tank, we had to clear out some of the items that will be in our way. Now that this tank is ready to be towed, we had to hook up these heavy-duty tow bars.
Chocolate guy. Okay, very good.
Pretty cool how these tracks just eat up the ground. When you're making even the slightest turn, it just tears up the grass.
Keep turning left, yeah, so make like maybe not this side, but near the end. Będzie stał tyłem, a tak jakbyśmy go tutaj ustawili, tylko trochę ucięli. W sumie jakby przyciąć tego, to tu byśmy mogli go wstawić. Dakota,
last task we have today is to move this Leopard 1 tank.
So much fun.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video where I get to drive this East German T-55 tank.